We are Augusta West Dance Studio from Augusta, Georgia, USA.
Music speaks to me like a beautiful memory. The future is harmony if we listen carefully. Music speaks to me. Music speaks to me. When you're lost in the dark and no one can find you, the sound of your heart will be there to guide you through.
A blur of pure emotion, it gets my feet in motion. It's sparking up to set my soul on fire. Steady foundations, higher vibrations, we pushing on into infinity.
Music speaks to me like a beautiful memory. The future is harmony if we listen carefully. Music speaks to me.
Whoever you are, whatever you do, believe in yourself, it's all within you. We color the world, we're all works of art. Just sing it out loud with sounds from the heart.
Rise up like the sun.